I bet you didn't know how crucial polyethylene is in our daily lives. Imagine a world without plastic. Almost impossible, right? From packaging to household items, plastic is everywhere. But did you know the most common type is called polyethylene? Let's dive into its fascinating world. From the grocery bags we carry to the water pipes that keep our homes running smoothly, polyethylene is everywhere. Yet few people truly understand its significance. In this video, we'll explain polyethylene including LDPE, HDPE and LLDPE and its importance in modern life. Hello and welcome to UG Moltech. We're glad to have you here. Polyethylene is a type of plastic made from small molecules called ethylene, which come from crude oil or natural gas. When heated, polyethylene softens and can be molded into various shapes. When cooled, it hardens, retaining its new form. This unique property makes it ideal for a wide range of applications, from flexible films to sturdy containers. Let's dive into the fascinating world of polyethylene. There are three major types, each with unique properties. LDPE, low-density polyethylene. It's a versatile plastic known for its flexibility and softness. Commonly used in plastic bags, film wrap and squeeze bottles, LDPE is characterized by its low strength but exceptional flexibility and resistance to impact. This makes it ideal for products that require durability and pliability. HDPE, high-density polyethylene. This material is strong and rigid, making it ideal for products like milk jugs, detergent bottles, and pipes. It also offers excellent chemical resistance and is highly durable, ensuring long-lasting performance in various applications. LLDPE, linear low-density polyethylene. It's a type of polyethylene that is similar to LDPE but offers greater strength and flexibility. This makes it ideal for applications like plastic wraps, stretch films, and even some types of packaging materials. Section 3. How it's made. Polyethylene is born from a fascinating process called polymerization, where ethylene gas molecules are linked together under intense heat and pressure, often with the help of special catalysts like Ziegler-Natta or metallocene. The resulting resin is then melted down and skillfully shaped through methods like extrusion and injection molding, or even blow molding, all depending on the final product we need. Section 4. Where it's used. Polyethylene is everywhere in our daily lives. You'll find it in shopping bags, food packaging, toys, water pipes, agricultural films, and medical tubing. Its versatility makes it indispensable in modern society. Polyethylene's low cost, remarkable chemical resistance, and incredible versatility make it indispensable in our daily lives. From packaging to household items, it's everywhere. Alright, let's dive deeper into the pros and cons of polyethylene. So first up, the pros. Polyethylene is incredibly lightweight, making it easy to handle and transport, which is especially beneficial in packaging and shipping industries. It's also very inexpensive to produce, which helps keep costs down for both manufacturers and consumers, making everyday products more affordable. Another significant advantage is its waterproof nature. Polyethylene provides excellent protection against moisture, which is crucial for preserving the integrity of many products. And when it comes to recycling, HDPE or high-density polyethylene stands out as it is highly recyclable, contributing to a more sustainable cycle of use. But on the flip side, there are some significant cons to consider. Polyethylene is not biodegradable, meaning it doesn't break down naturally in the environment, leading to long-term waste issues. This can result in severe environmental pollution if not managed properly, contributing to the growing problem of plastic waste in our ecosystems. The key to tackling plastic waste lies in our hands, from mindful usage to diligent recycling and innovative disposal methods. Section 6. Is polyethylene safe? Yes, polyethylene is generally considered safe for food contact and consumer use, especially HDPE. It doesn't leach harmful chemicals under normal conditions. Extensive research and regulatory reviews have confirmed its safety, making it a trusted choice for packaging and household items. Let's recap. The plastic that wraps your food, carries your water, and lines your shelves is called polyethylene. It's simple, powerful, and absolutely everywhere. Isn't it fascinating? If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more science made simple content, and share it with your friends.